Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Man, I just made a video of all the things that I wanted to make for this, and none of the sound worked. So here goes try two. Hopefully, this is gonna work. So what we're gonna be talking about today is an average atomic mass. Okay, um, and what we did was we're gonna look at different numbers of or different isotopes with different numbers of masses. Okay. Um, and for example, so I'm going to use boron as my example. Boron is number 5 on the periodic table. All right. I'm going to use boron 10 and boron 11. Okay. Those are my two examples I'm going to be using. Now, boron 10 makes up 20% of boron, where boron 11 makes up 80% of boron. Okay. So if I like to draw a picture, what it's going to look like is this is boron 10. This is boron 11. So as you can see, boron 11 takes up a lot more space. So boron 11 is closer to the actual number on the periodic table. So boron weighs 10.8 on the periodic table. So 11 is closer than 10 is to that number. Okay? Now, to actually calculate it, what you're going to do is you have this percentage. You're going to change the percentage into a decimal. And how you do that is you move your decimal over 2 spots. You're going to do that here. And now you multiply. So 10 times 0.2 is 2. 11 times 0.8 is equal to 8.8. Now, what is these two numbers combined? 10.8 exactly. And that's what average atomic mass unit is. Isn't that awesome? So what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm going to do one of the problems from your homework. Okay, homework you can find in the classwork tab. All right. So that is one of the homework looks like. All right, I'm going to do number 2. Number 2 says you have carbon 62.93, and that is 69.2%. Then you have carbon or copper 64.93, which makes up 30.8%. Okay, so I just wrote down the problem. Okay, so here's my problem. All right, so once again, I move my decimal over 2 spots. 1, 2. There's my new decimal. Multiply those two numbers. Move my decimal over 2 spots. There's my new decimal. Multiply those two numbers. All right, that is not a negative sign. That was just, I don't know what that's doing there. All right, so multiply those two numbers. So what I got, when I multiply the top, I got 43.55. On the bottom, I get exactly 20. Now, if I add those two numbers, I get 63.55 average atomic units. Now, what I want you to do is look on the periodic table. This is one great way to check if you're right or not. Is copper 63.55? Is that its weight? The answer is correct. All right, so that is how you're going to solve some of these problems. I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If not, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.